Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Bumble app. To install the app, you have to simply go to the App Store or Google Store. Once you install it, just simply click onto its icon to open the app. Then you just have to simply sign up with your email address and you will be onto this page. So here we have 5 different pages on this app. Right now we are into the people section. First, we will click onto this one, which is called a profile. Here you will find information related to your account and also information related to its subscription plans. You can check out all about it here. If you want to check your profile, then you can click onto your name, and after that your profile will open, and from there you can check out your information. Once you have checked your profile, then you have to get back, and then second option is this one, which is called the discover. Discover is that it shows you people but with different categories like recommended for you, people with the same as your interest, and different things. So you can just simply check out these profiles, and if you like any one of these, you can click onto it. On this page, you can find around 5 to 6 different categories, or maybe less or more based on the information you have added according to your account. So you can check out these profile. Then we have this option called people. Here you will see the profiles. Now, if you have checked this profile and read all the information, if you liked it or not, what you have to do is that if you did not like it, then you have to just simply swipe it to the left. And after that, this profile will be gone. That means you did not like it. And if you liked it, then you have to swipe it to the right. That means you have liked this profile. By swiping to the right, the other person will get the notification that you have liked their profile. So they will check yours, and if they like it, they will also do a swipe right. Otherwise, they can also swipe left if they do not like. If they swipe right, then in the liked you section, you will get their profile. And once you and other person both have liked each other, then you will be able to chat in this section. So that is all about the Bumble app, and this is how you can use it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe for more informative videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.